Dr. Emmanuel Y. Angeles, our University Chancellor, Dr. Nelly Angeles, Dr. Ricardo P. Palma, our University President, University officials, colleagues in the academy, dear students, a pleasant afternoon. The book of Ecclesiastes states that there is a given time for everything and a time for everything happening under heavens. True enough, the time has come to let go of a co-worker who, after serving the university unconditionally and with utmost dedication, will be migrating to a newfound place with his family. Saying goodbye to a friend and a dear co-worker is not easy. Friendship varies. You have been a great part of our lives. To most of us, you are one of the wings beneath our wings. You have inspired us with your excellent performance. Your calm and affable manner have been prime assets in your daily dealings with your co-workers. You manage to promote harmony and teamwork and achieve maximum results. Repeatedly, you have demonstrated exceptional leadership and initiative that serve as forerunner in our organization and led us to surpass excellence. Your exemplary management acumen and personal performance consistently enhance your colleagues' reputation. Your leadership has brought new sense of pride in the academic community, especially when granted the Center of Excellence. Your professional leadership and outstanding performance also made you a Grand Peraa winner. To your family, you have been a very good provider. Your love and care for your loved ones keep you going in spite of all the challenges that come your way. We are certain that you will reap more laurels. Wherever your dreams will bring you, no matter what the future will bring, remember that we are here praying for your success. You will surely miss your usual work in the university, such as daily tasks of administering and supervising, attending meetings, meeting deadlines, daily preparations for class, and anxiety on discovering that a student has not done well and perhaps will not make the grade. When you feel homesick, just remember that we are just a call away. Basta tandaan mo lang yung pangkabuhayan or sari-sari showcase na pangako mo sa aming mga deans. Friendship, the old saying of out of sight, out of mind, will not apply to you. On the contrary, we will continue to benefit from the good example you have shown to us. To end, we would like to share this point to you kasi hindi kami marunong kumanta. To our treasured friend. Treasured friend, we're glad we found you. Our friendship is a gift we share. We can be ourselves around you, safe in your love and care. We miss you when you're out of sight. Our friendship bond was meant to be. We think of you with great delight. You're almost part of us. Through fun and fears, play and tears, we help each other heal and grow. We prize our time, the days, the years. More than you can know, just harmony for us and you. All of us, a perfect blend. We'll cherish you our full life through our dear and treasured friend, Friendship Dennis. Good luck, and may you have the blessings of the Lord always. Thank you very much.